My Big Fat Fabulous Life star Whitney Way Thore shocked audiences by announcing she has a secret half-sister on the season 11 premiere, and the U.S. Sun can exclusively reveal her name as Angie Vincent. Whitney, 39, and Angie, 55, share the same father, Glenn, 77, but Angie was given up for adoption at 3 months old. On season 11 of My Big Fat Fabulous Life, Whitney, Glenn, and their family are struggling to cope with the death of her mother Babs, 76, who died in 2022 due to a stroke. Whitney and her brother Hunter, 43, encouraged Glenn to make a bucket list to help cope with his grief. Along with getting a tattoo and going to Switzerland, Glenn decided he wanted to meet his daughter he had through a relationship with another mystery woman. Angie's mother gave her up for adoption 3 months after her birth, and Whitney and Hunter grew up never knowing they had a half-sister. At the end of the season premiere, Whitney shocked audiences when she told her friends her family was planning to finally meet Angie in person. The U.S. Sun can exclusively reveal Angie works as a bartender at Boondocks Bar and Grill in Mobile, Alabama. Angie has had a long history working at the restaurant and started bartending there in 2014. She lives in Irvington, Alabama, where she raised her daughter, Jamie, 25. Angie had Jamie with James Dodrell and is now married to Frank Burdett. Whitney has continued to keep Angie's identity concealed on social media ahead of more episodes airing this season. However, the TLC star has been sharing plenty of posts with Jamie as Whitney calls herself her aunt. Jamie is currently engaged and has taken to social media to share plenty of footage from her bachelorette party. Whitney, Angie, and Jamie all appear to be getting along as family, as everyone was included in the celebrations. In the background of group shots in Jaime's post, Whitney and Angie can be spotted smiling for the cameras. The next episode of My Big Fat Fabulous Life airs on TLC on Tuesday, September 12 at 7 p.m. Central Time.